This is 7 National News, and in our top story, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, has stated that the year of giving, under the wise leadership of the UAE President, His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, and the support of the people, will solidify the UAE's position as the world's most giving nation. The ruler's comments come off the back of the Giving Retreat that was held on Wednesday under the patronage of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed and included the largest brainstorm of its kind in the UAE, bringing together over 100 experts, stakeholders, officials and humanitarian workers. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed added that all individuals and institutions will play a vital role and contribute to making giving a part of the national agenda. He stated that today they launched dozens of initiatives and they will introduce an integrated legal system with a clear framework for corporate social responsibility and volunteering, both on an institutional and individual level. They will provide volunteers with incentives and a comprehensive framework in order to document and reward their initiatives and efforts, as many young people are missing incentive programs and clear guidance in order to be motivated. It was also noted that some of the current challenges faced by the private sector include a lack of clear roles for the private sector in the development of the state, as well as a lack of clear mechanisms that ensure effective contributions to development. Not enough awareness in the business community was also identified as a challenge, along with a lack of clear media strategy to guide and encourage CSR among private sector entities. The Executive Committee of the Abu Dhabi Executive Council has approved 304 million dirhams worth of projects listed in Abu Dhabi plans. During a meeting held under the chairmanship of Saeed Eid Al Ghafli, the committee approved a project to develop infrastructure for an intelligent transportation system over in Al Ain at a cost of 114 million dirhams. The project aims to improve public safety on the main roads of Al Ain by using intelligent systems for early detection. The committee also approved a project issuing housing coupons in Al Uwa area in Al Ain, where 191 coupons will be issued at a total value of 96 million dirhams. A 74 million dirham project to carry out preliminary and earthworks in Medinat Zayed, Abu Dhabi City, was also approved, which is expected to accommodate 300,000 people as residents, in addition to 325,000 of business staff. The committee also approved a 20 million dirham contract to develop public parks in Abu Dhabi and other contracts for renovation and the expansion of the existing central souk in Medinat Zayed. Her Highness Sheikha Fatima bint Mubarak, the chairwoman of the General Women's Union, Supreme Chairwoman of the Family Development Foundation, and President of the Supreme Council for Motherhood and Childhood. The Council has announced the second phase of a training programme for schools in Dubai and the Northern region as a part of a wider national anti-bullying programme in collaboration with the Ministry of Education. According to Al-Reem Abdullah Al-Falasi, the Council's Secretary-General, the programme started today in a number of schools in Ajman, off the back of an initial success of its first phase, and was attended by 111 principals, academic counsellors and nurses from various schools around the region. She confirmed that 36 schools in Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah and Al Quwain will participate in the Protection from Bullying programme. The Secretary-General also revealed that the first and second phases of the programme were implemented in cooperation with the United Nations Children's Emergency Fund under the coordination of the Abu Dhabi Education Council and the Ministry of Education. The training includes ways to spot different types of bullying and early detection methods, as well as ways to intervene and apply the programme in schools by using 2 UNICEF guides on social skills and fighting bullying. The Dubai Health Authority's comprehensive electronic medical record system under the title of Salama is all set to go live from April this year. That's according to a top DHA official. The EMR system, which will be implemented in 3 phases until the end of next year, would mean that every patient will have an integrated electronic medical file that will be accessible in all DHA hospitals and health centres that he or she is referred to. DHA officials were quoted in a local daily saying that Salama will mark the transformation of their medical services, as the entire process unifies 25 applications through a single interface. Moreover, the record system will bring together information about radiology, laboratory and dental all under one single system, and will generate one big database on patients, hospitals, illnesses and incidents of infections, which can then be accessed through different dashboards. According to the DHA, this process will allow a physician to refer to a dashboard relevant to him, while also enable the Director General to have a complete look at the Emirates' state of healthcare. While over 11,000 DHA staff will receive special training on the EMR system, the first phase of implementation will begin at Rashid Hospital, while in the second phase, the process will begin at Dubai Hospital in August this year. And Sharjah police have launched a special hotline number catering to residents with disabilities, allowing them to report crimes and emergencies. The mobile number of the operation room at Sharjah Police will enable residents with hearing and visual impairments to contact authorities directly through WhatsApp, while also allowing them to send photos and written messages to the police. According to the police, the number works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and is operated by well-trained professionals. The emergency service is available in Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah, Ajman and Amal Quain, while residents in Dubai can contact Dubai Ambulances app Olem and Sameh. All apps are available in English and Arabic. And the Dubai police have announced that they have confiscated counterfeit construction goods worth 400,000 dirhams after raiding a warehouse in Nad Al Hamar. The director of the Anti-Economic Crimes Management was quoted in local reports saying that the department received a tip-off about the suspect, who stored and sold large quantities of fake construction materials. After getting permission from the public prosecutor, the police raided the warehouse and seized a variety of tools and materials. The accused has confessed to the crime of importing fake products from an Asian country in separate consignments. The director has urged the public to immediately report information surrounding counterfeit goods, adding that the police teams are carrying out inspections in various places and shops suspected of selling or storing fake material. And finally, looking to other news now, the Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum International Photography Award has announced the official start of judging for its 6th season of its competition, The Challenge. The Secretary General of HIPA, Ali bin Thalif, stated that with a large number of submissions this season, the amount of photography they have had to process has been rather unprecedented. This is largely due, he said, to the introduction of the portfolio category this season, which meant that a series of 5 to 10 photographs were submitted for every submission in the category. He added that this will no doubt make the judging even more interesting, who are an internationally renowned panel of photography experts, which comprise of 7 of the biggest and most recognizable names in international photography today.